If we collect and store all the rainwater that collects on our terrace, roads, and pavements instead of letting it run into ditches, we could actually have vast reserves of water. Collecting and storing of rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. The following are the techniques of rainwater harvesting. The rainwater is collected from the rooftop in a storage tank through pipes to be used later for various purposes. Alternately, instead of collecting the rainwater in a tank, the pipes can carry the rainwater to a pit dug in the ground. The rainwater then seeps into the soil to recharge or refill the groundwater. Another technique of rainwater harvesting is the one in which the runoff on the ground is used to recharge groundwater.